Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are making this delicious kielbasa sausage, corn and rice dish, served with fresh garden salad and creamy avocado. Let me show you step by step how easy it is to make. For this recipe, we're going to be cutting a pound of kielbasa. In a cooking pan, let's put a tablespoon of oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. Once the oil get nice and hot, we're gonna go ahead and put the sausage. As you can see, just move it around, and now we're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes. Let's mince 2 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna be adding half of a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And now we're gonna mince this together. I have here a plum tomato. You guys can use the tomato of your choice. You don't need much. I'm gonna be using half of it. And I also have half of a medium-sized red onion, about 30 grams of green onion, and 10 grams of red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, 10 grams of each. The kielbasas are ready. I'm just putting a quarter of a cup of water just to make a little sauce to it before I put any other ingredients. It's time to put this dish together. Let's go ahead and put the garlic into it. Look at that. It looks beautiful. This smell awesome, guys. Let's marinate it. We're going to be putting a teaspoon of paprika for color, and also this Goya Zazon is going to add more color but also a wonderful flavor. Soy sauce, about a tablespoon. A teaspoon of chicken bouillon. I'm going to be using lemon pepper, about quarter of a teaspoon. We're also going to be putting a tablespoon of mojo. Mojo is a beautiful marinade for this dish, and I tell you guys, it makes a statement. It has orange bitter in it, so that's awesome. Let's mix it all together. This is looking beautiful and it smells delicious. So it's time to put about 2 cups of water. We're going to give it a minute, and once it starts boiling, we are ready to put the rice into it. I'm using 1 pound of rice today. Okay, let's take the vegetables out of the rice. Right now, we don't need them no more. We have getting all the flavor that we needed by now. So it is optional. If you like to leave it until the end and you like to eat it after, you can go ahead and do that. You can leave it, but I like to take them out. There are many ways to make the rice, but this is the way that I like to make when I come to make these dishes. I like to put the water first to get that water a nice flavor into it, and then put the rice. Guys, look at the colors of this. I mean, the steam is beautiful. So make sure you move it really well because you don't want the rice to get crispy in the bottom yet. You want that to happen later once all the water is steamed down, and that's when you want that, when you cover it for the last time. I'm using fresh corn, and one thing I like to do is to wait until the rice is almost cooked before I cover the rice for the last time and put the corn. That way the corn comes out so crispy, it comes out beautiful. So look at this, guys. It's nice and fresh. It's time to add the corn to the rice before we do the final cooking. Guys, this is just looking beautiful. I mean, we love corn and this kind of rice, these dishes like this, they just taste so fresh because then you have the texture of the corn so crispy and tender while you have also the grains of rice nice and soft but no soggy and wet. It's beautiful. You will see at the end. Now we mix it together and then I'm going to put a little extra corn on the top before I put the lid on this. And we're going to create that beautiful crispy rice on the bottom. We're going to cover the rice and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And just remember to lower the heat on the stove. I have it on medium low. While the rice is cooking, let's make a fresh garden salad to pair this dish. So I just added about a quarter of a pound of cabbage, about 4 to 5 ounces of lettuce. I'm cutting it nice and small. A few cherry tomatoes. You guys can use any tomatoes of your choice. A quarter of a medium size red onion. And also 2 hard-boiled eggs. Let's get it all together with the cabbage and the lettuce. This is just beautiful, nice and fresh. The eggs, wow. This is a small salad, but it's the delicious one. Especially because we're going to be making our own salad dressing. It is a super easy to make salad dressing, guys. You are going to love it. I have here about an ounce of olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice as always. Half of a teaspoon of lemon pepper. A quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. A quarter teaspoon of oregano. A quarter teaspoon of salt. 1 ounce of lemon juice. About a teaspoon of honey. Now let's mix it all together. Shake it well. Smell good, guys. This is awesome. That dressing looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh, the consistency with the honey and the olive oil. Nothing can make a salad more special than Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Ooh, that is, oh, that's gonna taste beautiful. The rice is all set. Look at this. Perfect. Look at the grains of the rice. Nice, separated. The corn is perfect, nice. And you can tell how tender it is. It's time to serve ourselves a little rice with kielbasa and corn. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Guys, look at this. Ooh, this is perfect, perfect, excellent. One of our favorite part of this kind of dishes is this. When it gets to this point, when you can enjoy the crispy rice on the bottom of the pan, that is delicious. Look at that, guys. It's awesome. Well, the time that we were waiting for is finally here. Let's try this beautiful dish. Oh, it looks awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. This is so flavorful. The rice is perfectly seasoned, and the kielbasa sausage adds amazing flavor to this dish. Wow, and the salad with a little hint of honey is beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And be sure to check out the next recipe on your screen. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.